Welcome back to Color Rhymes. Today we're drawing a super colorful parrot. It's going to be full of fun, feathers, and bright colors. So grab your markers and join me on this creative adventure. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a like, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a fun video. Stay with us till the end to see how amazing our parrot turns out. It's going to be awesome! Did you know that parrots can copy sounds? Some of them can even say a few words. How cool is that? And look at their feathers. So bright and colorful, just like a rainbow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. Wow, kids! What do you think so far? I think it's starting to look really cool. And guess what? Once we start coloring, it's gonna get even better! I can't wait! Are you excited too? Let's keep going! Okay, kids, it's time to color. Let me see. What color do you think fits this best? Let's find the perfect one together. Let's color the parrot's body green. Green is such a lively and happy color. Just perfect for our cheerful parrot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. Now, let's add some orange to the beak and a few feathers. Orange makes our parrot look even more colorful and fun. Let's add some light blue here. It makes our parrot look so cool and bright, don't you think? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. coloring is all done. Look how beautiful and colorful our parrot turned out. Now let's grab our black marker and draw the outline to make it pop even more. Are you ready? Let's do it! Our cute parrot is all finished. I hope you had fun coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new video. And hey, if you haven't seen our last video, go check it out now. It's super fun and full of colors. Bye-bye for now, my little artists. See you soon.